spending the day in nature today. We came to this community farm, and it's a farm and nature playground. We're just trying to explore what they have here, and it's extremely hot. It's 34 degrees today. Hi! Yes, it's extremely hot today, but we decided to go out and still do some activities outside. Angelina and Sebastian are climbing high up somewhere and having fun, and I'm just waiting for them. We also have my grandma here. She is looking after our little baby. So yeah, family adventure time. Can you see them? They're all the way up there, coming out from horse's belly or something. Go Angie, go! Go Angie, go! Go, go, go! Jungle adventure. Let's see if they will fall into the crocodile pond. I'll try my luck as well. Woo! Woo! That's actually pretty scary.
How we go back?
You have to swim. You have to swim to get back.
Oh, maybe here we can go back.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna get a little wet.
It's okay. You can do it.
It's okay. And then we go up there, see? Like the boy. Yeah, just hold my hand, yeah?
Let's see what happens. Oh.
It's too heavy. Mama said you want to try? Okay,
Well, didn't work out as planned.
Papa's too heavy.
Yay! They made it up! Look at them! So high up!
Yeah, come.
Angie!
Traumatized by the other thing.
Well, Angelina got a little bit scared of the boy who shook the bridge before,
Papa going slow.
and now she didn't want to go across the bridge herself, but it's fine when Papa carry her. Halta!
I cannot stand up because this thing is like this.
Oh, well, seems like they're stuck.
Look, we're going.
Look, you're sliding down on Papa's booty. Almost there, sunshine. The best father of the year award goes to Sebastian.
All right. Look, you just stand down on the net. You just stand down, okay? Okay, I'm holding you. Okay.
Hi.
That wasn't so
Is it
bad,
scary?
right?
Scary? Come to my.
God.
Found an activity suitable for Angelina's liking. Not so excited though.
Best day of her life, huh? Slow, but it's powerful. Mama teaching the little ones how to live life. Hey, let's go see some chickens. Oh no, it's a goose. Oh, or duck.
Look, children need to take risks.
Children need to take risks. Encouraging children to take and assess risks in playing is an essential part of growing up. Learning how to manage risks prepare them for life. Children need to climb, jump, run through woods, play with mud, fall and get hurt on occasion. Oh look Angie, the ducks have their own boat.
Did you see ducks on the boat?
Look how big they are.
What else can we see? Let's go.
Look, you see that?
Yeah, he's running so fast. You should put your hat on, Angie, protect yourself from the sun.
Yeah, put the hat on, please.
Look, this garden.
Garden? You want to go inside the garden?
Watch out for the chicken poop.
Wow, look at this chicken.
Hi, chicken.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, look, it's a miniature goat and the mom.
This one is so small. That's not a mom.
Oh, that's a big daddy-o. Oh, look at those
What else?
things there.
Let's go there.
Go there. Oh, my hat.
Can you put the hat on, please?
Oh, look at his balls. Look at those balls, oh.
Yes.
You see his balls? Those touch the toilet water.
Oh, look at this one. Hello.
Hi, turtle. It's going to us.
Yeah. The turtle thinks we have some food, but we don't have any.
And there's some big pigs.
Yeah. Are you? Hi. Hello. They are very unique.
Hi.
Oh, and this is Big Daddy. Oh, hello. Oh, oh.
Yeah, turtle. Whiskey. What else we have?
She really likes this garden. What's this? It's a watering can
Why?
to water the plants.
Why is laying?
I don't know. Someone forgot to put it away. Look at this one. So
Hi,
fast.
chickens.
Hello.
Hello.
Running so fast.
What we have plants? We have garden plants.
Yeah, and here they have some chili. But don't touch it, okay? Look. Red chili peppers. Don't touch them. They're very spicy. Very spicy.
Maybe for spicy.
Yeah.
Why? Why is that spicy?
Some people like to eat spicy food. Wow, look at this little body, big body.
Look, the dog.
Hello,
Yes.
doggy.
Hello, doggy.
Hello.
What is that?
Finally, Angelina found something she likes here,
Camel.
and this is a slide. Go, go.
You first. Oh! Whoa! And now Papa. Hello, Angie. Whoa! Woo! Nice.
I go again.
You go again? You want Papa to wait?
You won't believe, but they actually decided to go down the slide, the big slide. And let's see. I convinced them. Was it fun? Yeah.
I want to go more.
And I go again?
And 3 times a day they turn on water,
That was fun actually.
and this slide turns into a water slide. It's the dirty water. So nice to see that this place is so popular and so many kids come here with their families and hang out outdoors and doing some fun activities like this in nature is so amazing for young kids, and I just love seeing this. They decided to go one more time because it was indeed a lot of fun. Good thing I convinced them. Was it fun?
To the end.
Huh? Was it
Imagine
fun?
with water.
Yeah, look at his butt. Yay, dirty, dirty. But it's okay.
Oh, that was so fun, Andy.
Look what they're doing. Papa is splashing around.
Andy, no! I want to get fish in there. No, just a little bit, not too much.
Just a little bit. No.
Okay, on my belly.
Not mama, please.
Alright, thank you, Andy.
What happened, Angie? Высохнет.
Кто там был?
And here's my little sunshine sleeping. Sleeping.
Just chilling in nature, in the wilderness. Hey, little buddy.
He knows the joy of life. He knows how to relax. We are back now, and the guys are chilling here after a long hot day. This guy slept the whole time.
Yeah.
Angelina, she is swimming with her grandma. She is swimming because it was so hot. We are home. I'm going to hit the shower real quick, and the baby is waiting for some milk. So yeah, see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog.